Hey everyone, GeoDroidJohn here. Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ah, that thing's sharp. That inside is a sharp thing. Hey guys and gals, my 3D print heads. This is GeoDroidJohn here. I'm going to try to keep the camera as still as possible. I've done some things in the last year. It's been a minute. New uploads every week. I've been moved in a lot. I had a rough year and a lot of interesting things have happened. But I'm here now, and it's time to kind of get back into it. I think I've got some of the same old projects going on. I got the CR10 back in my house. I've got the filament extruder right back up there, Lydia. You've been asking a lot about that. I've been making some cool sculptures like Vegeta back there, and I finished the jet turbine engine. I made a clock. All these projects you can keep up with on my Instagram, which is printfromsd3d, and I'll try to put it right here in front of you guys. On Instagram, you can see all my live updates and all the things I've been doing. I'm in a new place now, and there's been a lot of places in the last year, but I'm still in San Diego, which is a good thing. But I took a break for a while, and I've got the Reprap going again. I love the Reprap mentality, the project. Still have the Tron XY, which is killing it. I've got the filament dehydrator. I've got a bunch of little things laying around. You see on my shelf. I've got a lot of Iron Man cosplay. I actually bought some files to make an Iron Man Mark 43 rocket launcher thing. I've got a bunch of great tips coming up, and I think I'm finally back in the place where I can help people. I've been actually helping a lot of people fix their 3D printers, and I think that's going to be the main focus of this channel. So if you're watching this channel, it's probably to get 3D printer tips, upgrades, stuff like that. I don't do many reviews. I just help you fix your machine. So I've been active on Reddit and 3D printer. I created a subreddit myself for fix my 3D printer. So if you're interested in connecting with me, that's a good place to meet up with me. But this is just a quick update to let you guys know I'm still okay. I'm doing great. I would love to engage with you guys more. So say hi in the comments. Just say hi and link me your social if you would like to meet up on social. I'm at printfromsd3d, and same thing for the website, printfromsd3d.com. And I'm going to try to keep that up too. So this is just a quick hello. I'm back, and I'm going to try to do some stuff. Put in the comments what you guys would be interested in learning about, and I'll see what I can do. I've been helping a few of my friends, and I think my career goals are going to be moving towards helping do 3D prints. So that's going to be fun. All right, everyone. See you in a few. Bye.